Hi friends, welcome to WP Themes channel. And if you have decided to make a wonderful blog website, this video is for you. In this video I am with a wonderful theme called Hemlock. Hemlock is a responsive WordPress blog theme and it was developed by Solo Pine. They are Power Elite authors. The theme was developed in 2014 and the regular updates for this theme is also being done, and it has good number of sales, so the theme can be considered as stable and widely used. So you can choose the theme without any doubt for your blog website project. And if we check the demo of this theme, this is the demo website, and this theme also supports the WooCommerce. If you are in plan to sell some product services with your blog website, this theme can suit you better and this can be a good catch for you. This is a simple theme, a stunning look and simple theme, and it has the basic functionality of blog, clear and a stunning look, fast loading. So if you are looking for a minimal blog WordPress theme, this is a good choice for you. And in this video we will install the Hemlock WordPress theme and a fresh installation of WordPress. I have a fresh installation with the latest version of WordPress, and I got the theme pack as well. In the theme pack I got demo content, documentation, licensing, logo and the Hemlock theme folder itself. So without wasting further time, we can start the installation. Go to the WordPress theme section and add new. Upload theme, choose file, and here you need to choose hemlock.zip. and if you are having direct access on your server, you can upload the same in WP content themes folder. I am doing the same to save some time. And the theme size is literally very low. I have seen, in fact, first theme having size in KB, not even in MB. So this is super lightweight theme, and it will also work fast definitely. And just extract the uploaded zip file, and the extraction outcome is the Hemlock folder in which we got all the theme components. Folder and files are here. We can delete the zip one. And now come to the theme section again. Now we have Hemlock as theme options. Let us check the details. This is Hemlock version 1.8.3 WordPress blog theme. Activate it now. And upon activation we got an alert to install some plugins, so we will definitely install the plugins. And this is another good thing with this theme, that the core plugin is included, and there are the very few plugins which are required for this theme. And if any theme is having less number of plugins, it is considered to be more stable and you are not dependent on the external theme, I mean plugins. So it is good thing. I'm installing all plugins in one go. If you are not confident about your server capacity, install the plugins one by one and activate all installed plugins. Now we have installed the theme and plugins as well. So let us take a look of our website, how it looks. And this is the basic look of Hemlock theme without any content. And at this stage we will go for the importing some demo content, and the theme developer has given okay. If you reach on this screen, just delete this section and press enter. So there is nothing like demo import option in the theme, and definitely we have the demo content in XML format, so we can use the WordPress importer for importing the demo, because this theme has minimal option. Being a lightweight theme, it does not holds any additional or burden like things. So we will simply go to the tools and click on import and install the WordPress importer, run importer, choose file and choose the demo content XML file, upload file and import, assign user, download and import file attachments, click on submit. It may take some time because it imports the and download the media files as well. So just be on this page, don't refresh or leave this page, let the process be completed, and it is all done. Have fun within some few seconds. In fact, now we can take another look of our website. And this is the look of website. Since it is a minimal look website, so all the demo is here and the pages are here. Now we can check what pages we got in the demo content. So about us is here, we can check the rest of pages. So these are the pages, minimal pages, few pages in fact, and some posts are here. So we got some posts for demo purpose. This is the demo website and this is our website. I'll show you our website as well. So we got all these things. Got a post and we can delete to get the same website, similar website. Just delete it. Now it should look like the demo website as we seen in the demo. This is the demo and this is our website. It is all fine and no need to explain anything else. And since it is a blog website, it does not require any further customization. All things are here and you can simply start putting the blogs and the website will work fine. And you can create definitely menu according to your news utilization, and you can put your own logo here and just replace or remove this demo post and put the original one. Your website is ready, and we will check the customization options as well. So there is no customization, additional customization tab, so we can handle the customization from appearance, default customization section. So let us see what options are here. So okay, so all options has been given here. So general setting is here. So you have multiple things to control. Logo and header setting is here. So you can put logos. Top bar setting, featured area setting. You can select category for showcasing in featured area. Post setting, so different settings are here. Edit post date and all. Page settings, you can hide comments or hide share buttons. Social media setting, footer settings, so footer, copyright, text and all such things. Top bar settings, you can change the color and all. Sidebar is here, post is here, general color setting is here, menu setting is here, widgets, and if you want to keep a static home page, you can select a static home page as well. However, there is no home page given in the demo content. You can create your own, and in blog website it is not required to create home page. It can be like your latest post, or if you wish, you can definitely create and assign the home page as per your requirement and choice. So now we can check the customization, I mean the page edit options. Let us say if we want to edit the page, it can be edited with WordPress Gutenberg editor itself. So there is no additional page editor in this theme. The Gutenberg editor is itself a good editor, and these options are here, the page settings. So everything is here for like a blog website. So we can conclude that we have installed the Hemlock WordPress theme successfully in this video, and you can start editing with your own content and put original data. So if you have any questions regarding this theme, or if you got any trouble in installation process, you can definitely get in touch with me, and I'll definitely try to help you out. And I'm also giving the link of my website in the description of this video, where you can get this theme along with the best hosting solution which you should choose. And don't forget to subscribe this channel. I'm going to bring numerous wonderful themes and plugin utilities for you. Thanks for watching.